Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about legal descriptions and how we actually find out how many acres are broke down from a section. A section contains 640 acres and I'm going to break it down so we can find out geographically where we're at and how many acres are in each quarter. And what we really want to do when we're looking at legal descriptions is to be able to break it down into fourths. Each separate fourth represents a portion of that acreage. So as you can see, we have our section here, and we're going to start out with 640 acres. I've now divided this area into 4 equal parts, and we're going to call that a quarter. This is going to be the northeast quarter. This will be the northwest quarter. This will be the southwest quarter. And then finally, the southeast quarter. Now, after we divide these all out, we're going to take 640 and we're going to divide that by 4. And that's going to equal 160 acres. So each portion of this represents 160 acres. Now, if we divide it out again, we're going to end up quartering a quarter. I'm going to do the next following quarter in green, and we're going to be in the northeast quarter. So now that we've quartered it again, we are going to label each one again with the same definition. So we are going to have the northeast quarter. We will have the northwest quarter. We will have the southwest quarter. And we will have the southeast quarter. So in here, the first time we had 160 acres. We are now going to take and divide the 160 by 4 again. That will equal 40 acres. So now we have to define the actual location, and we are going to be in the southeast quarter, which will contain 40 acres. The next following breakdown, I'm going to do in the red marker, and that will represent another quarter, so 1/4. And again, we are going to label these again in the northeast quarter, northwest quarter, and so forth. We have the northeast quarter, the northwest quarter, we have the southwest quarter. And finally, we are going to have the southeast quarter. And if we are in the northwest quarter, we will take the 40, we will drop it down, and divide by 4 again. This will represent 10 acres. This is how we break down a quarter, and we actually break down a quarter again and a quarter. It can also be broke down into halves. So we started out with 640, which was the entire section, and then we continually just broke it down. For more information on legal descriptions, visit my website at nobullsheets.com. Thank you for watching.